11th Standard, Chapter number 6, Second Urbanization in India, Part 2. Today we are going to study 6.4 Mahajanpada and the contemporary cities. First, Kasi. This Mahajanpada was a powerful one in the beginning of the Mahajanpada period. Varanasi was its capital. The kings of Kasi were ambitious. According to the Jataka story, they aspire for the highest position among all contemporary kings. Sabharanjunam Agaraja, the Buddhist text Mahavagga mentioned that the king of Kasi had defeated Kosala and annexed it to his own kingdom. Later, Ajatashatru, the king of Magadha, conquered and annexed Kasi Mahajanpada to Magadha. Second, Kosala. You can see the location of Kosala in the map. It's one of the most important Mahajanpada. Ancient Kosala encompassed the regions of Uttar Pradesh in India and Lumbini in Nepal. Saraswati was its capital city. King Prasenjit, also known as Pasanadhi, is Pali version of the name of Prasenjit, was a disciple of Gautam Buddha. Kosala was destroyed and annexed permanently to Magadha by King Ajatashatru. Third, Anga. The city of Champa was its capital. It was center of marine trade. It was permanently annexed to Magadha by King Bimbisara. You can see the remain of Anga city in the picture. Fourth, Magadha had its first capital at the city of Girivraja, also known as Rajagriha. Girivraja was surrounded by 5 hills, making it formidable for the enemies. King Bimbisara was the contemporary king of Gautam Buddha. The policy of territorial annexation of other kingdoms was started during the reign of King Bimbisara. Later, Patliputra became the capital of Magadha Empire. Fifth, Vruchi or Vachi. This was a confederation of 8 clans known as Maha Athathakula. It included clans like Vidhiha, Lichachavi, Vachi, Shakaya, Dentruk, etc. The Ekkapanna Chataka mentioned that Vaishali, the capital of this Mahajanpada, was fortified with 3 surrounding walls. It had 3 entrance gates and bastions. King Ajatashatru was the one who annexed the territory of the Vajis land to Magadha. 6. Mala. The city of Kushinara or Kushinagara, Kasya, in the Gorakhpur district was the capital of this Mahajanpada. Gautam Buddha attained Mahaparinirvana at this city. A copper plate inscription belongs to the 5th century Common Era was founded at Parinirvana Stupa in this city. It reads Parinirvana Chaitya Tamrapatta iti. In the later Vedic period, Mala Mahajanpada was monarchy in nature. Later, it turned into a republic. There were 2 more cities in the Mahajanpada, namely Pava and Bhavganagara. According to the Jaina text, 18 republics from the regions of Mala, Lichachavis and Kashi Kosala had formed a confederation to fight Ajatashatru. By the 3rd century BCE, the Mala Mahajanpada was merged into the Mauryan Empire. 7. Chedi. This Mahajanpada had occupied Bundelkhand and the region around it. The city of Suktimati or Suttivati was its capital. It is supposed to have been situated near Banda in Uttar Pradesh. You can see the coins belongs to the Chedi Mahajanpada. 8. Vamsa or Vatsa. Koshambi was the capital, Kosam near Allahabad, of this Mahajanpada. According to the tradition of Purana text, Hastinapur was destroyed by a flood of Ganga, and King Nichakshu, a descendant of the Pandavas, had to shift his capital to Koshambi. The protagonist of the play Swapna Vasavadatta, written by Bhasa, is King Udyan. He was the king of the Vatsa Mahajanpada and contemporary of Gautam Buddha. 9. Kuru. The capital of this Mahajanpada was located at Indrapat near Delhi. Its name was Indraprastha or Indrapattana. According to Jataka literature, the king of Indraprastha belongs to Yudhithil Gotra. 10. Panchala. The Mahajanpada of Panchala was divided into Uttra means North Panchala and Dakshina means South Panchala. The river Bhagirathi was the natural boundary that divided the Mahajanpada. Chahatra, the capital of Uttar Panchala, was located near the village of Ramnagar, district Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. Kampilia, present-day Kampil, in the Farrukhabad district of Uttar Pradesh, was the capital of Dakshina Panchala. The Mahajanpadas of Kuru and Panchala often fought for supremacy. Both the divisions of Panchala Mahajanpada were monarchies in the beginning. At a later date, they turned into a Sangha Rajya. 11th, Matsya. The capital of this Mahajanpada was Viratnagar, which was located at Bharat in the Jaipur district of Rajasthan. Matsya was merged into the empire of Magadha at later date. Bharat is one of the places where Ashokan edicts had been found. Shursena. This Mahajanpada was located on the banks of the river Yamuna. Its capital was the city of Mathura. Greek historians have mentioned the name of the Mahajanpada as Shursenoi and Mathura as Mathura. Later, the Mahajanpada of Shursena was merged into the Mauryan Empire. 13. Ashmak or Asak. We already knew about this Mahajanpada. We discussed in detail in previous lecture. It's located in Dakshin Patha or southern India. The capital Potana or Potali, which correspond to Podanya of Mahabharata. They are placed in the northwest in the Markandeya Purana and Brahat Samhita. Godavari separated the country of the Asakas from the Mulakas or Alakas. Arthashastra identifies Ashmaka with Maharashtra. Number 14, Avanti. This Mahajanpada encompasses the region of Malwa, Nimar and its neighboring regions in Madhya Pradesh. Avanti Mahajanpada was divided into Uttar Avanti and Dakshina Avanti with its capital. Ujjain was the capital of Uttar Avanti or Ujjain, while Mahishmati, Mandaatta district Khandwa was the capital of Dakshina Avanti. King Pradyot was a contemporary of Gautam Buddha. In the 4th century BCE, Avanti Mahajanpada became an integral part of the Maurya Empire. Second last Mahajanpada in the list. This Mahajanpada had spread into Kashmir and Afghanistan. Takshila was its capital. Pukusati or Pukasarin was the king of Gandhara. He was contemporary of King Bimbisara. He had established diplomatic relations with the king Bimbisara. By the 6th century BC, the Iranian Empire Taryush first conquered Gandhara Mahajanpada. The Behistun inscription in Iran belongs to 516 BCE, mentioned Gandhara as one of the satrapies of the Iranian Empire. Number 16, last in the list, Kamboja. This Mahajanpada is mentioned in the ancient literature along with Gandhara. Rajapura or Rajuri was its capital. Cambodia was well known for its excellent horses and its horsemen, warrior for their skills of warfare. Cambodia people had resisted Sikandara's advent. The Spasoi Ashwayana was part of the Cambodia Mahajanpada. The Mahajanpada is mentioned in Ashoka's edicts at Araja, meaning those who do not have a king. In turn, it means that those who were a republic